Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to PlayArt, and today we're going to be making a withy willow lantern. You will need 8 sticks of withy or willow, a ruler, secateurs, wire snips, scissors and pencil, masking tape, wire, tissue paper, PVA glue. Okay, on your first stick, what you need to do is measure it 24 inches. And you need 4 of those at 24. 4 at 24, and then you need 4 at 12. Now, when you have your 24-inch sticks, you need to tape them together with masking tape at the top. So at the top of the 2 large canes, large withies, tape them together, and do exactly the same with the other 2. So what we need to do now is we need to split these 2 apart and connect the smaller one at 12 inches at the bottom using the masking tape. So now you have 2 similar triangles. Now what we need to do is put these together and tape at the top of the triangle. Now, with your other 2 withies at 12 inches, you need to pull it apart and make a square at the bottom. So that's the shape you've got, which looks like a pyramid. Now what we need to do now is put 2 struts at the bottom to make this area strong, and then put 4 arches on either side. And tape the middle cross structures. Now all we've got to do now is the arches. The reason why we do these arches is to actually make the structure stronger. So find the middle or just halfway down, and with the leftover bits of withy that you've got, you can actually bend it over to make the arch and follow this through all the way around the sides. So this is what we're left with, this shape, this structure that looks like the Eiffel Tower. What I do now is I go around all the bits where the masking tape is to make sure it's secure, and just go around with a bit of tape to double check and make sure that they can't come apart. Now we need to find a way of holding our lantern, and we use ordinary garden wire. We make a loop at the top here. With the excess wire, just hook it around the top, making sure that it won't hurt your fingers. What I normally do is I get some masking tape and just go around the top so the wire won't cut into the tissue nor hurt your fingers. Snipping off another piece of wire, we need to secure our LED light, which will go down the bottom here. So just with a piece of wire, wrap around the bottom of the cross structure that you have. Go around a few times, and that will hold your LED light. Now, white tissue. This is all you need, and you can get this from any craft shop. And what we do is lay down 1 sheet onto the table, and then with your structure, put it on top. And obviously we're not going to want all of that tissue. So what I normally do is I get a pencil and a ruler and just mark about 1 inch all the way round. pair of scissors, cut out your triangle shape. And with your PVA glue, now what I normally do is I slightly water it down a little bit, so probably 50-50. And then what you do with the brush is paste the glue around the bottom or around the edges of your tissue, and then wrap them around the withy sticks so it's secure. Slightly fiddly, but just make sure you do a really good job at this stage, because we don't want any of it sort of flapping around. So that's what it looks like. Now what we need to do now is repeat this and go all the way around the sides. What I normally do at the end is I treat mine with hairspray as a fixer. You can use PVA glue if you wish, watered down, but hairspray does exactly the same job. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you at the Lantern Parade.